Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn on your Gmail dark mode on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on your Gmail dark mode on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to click the settings icon right here to open your Gmail settings. And after clicking it, I want you to scroll down, and then you will now be able to see the theme option, which is where you can select the theme appearance for your Gmail. So just go and click this. And after clicking it, you will now be able to see many options for your theme you can choose. But since what we want is to change our theme into dark mode, I want you to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you will now be able to see the dark mode theme option right here. So just go and select it. And after selecting, just click save to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Gmail theme will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.